Want to get ahead in 2025? Today, I'm bringing you the must-have AI apps that are going to blow your mind. They can write for you, edit videos, create designs, talk like humans, and even do your homework. Stick around, and I'll show you the top 5 AI apps you absolutely need to try this year. And yes, most of them are free. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This AI is like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Need to write emails, generate ideas, do research, or even write code? ChatGPT does it all in seconds. Now it's got voice, image, and web browsing built right in. Use it on mobile or desktop. And the best part? It's completely free. Next, we have Canva Magic Studio. This isn't just design, it's smart design. Just type what you want, and Canva creates posters, YouTube thumbnails, logos, and even videos. With Magic Write, Magic Edit, and an AI video creator all in one place, your design game will level up instantly. Want to make videos with realistic AI voiceovers? Check out ElevenLabs. This tool generates voices that sound almost human, male, female, and even emotional tones. It's perfect for YouTube videos, audiobooks, or storytelling. Now let's talk about Pictory. This one's a game changer for video creators. Give it a script or a blog post and it turns that into a full video with scenes, stock footage, subtitles, and a realistic AI voice. It's fast, easy, and works online. No editing skills needed. Last but not least, Notion AI. This isn't just for notes. It's an all-in-one AI workspace. It writes essays, summarizes PDFs, manages tasks, and answers your questions. Students and freelancers love it for its versatility and ease of use. AI isn't the future, it's now. These 5 tools will save you time, help you earn, and make your work 10 times faster. Which one are you going to try first? Comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.